Oh no, you hate coming home to a dark house, and you're uptight about noises outside in the night. Outdoor lighting systems cost a fortune, and leaving lights on all night drives utility bills out of sight. You need the Bell & Howell Bionic Spotlight, the outdoor motion sensor light that is motion activated, so it automatically turns on the instant motion is detected and turns off when the motion stops. Bionic Spotlight is solar powered, so there's no expensive wiring or batteries to change. Simply place it where the solar panel can soak up the sun and you're done. The panel collects the sun's energy to charge all day, so it has the power to provide light when and where you need it all night. Bionic Spotlight looks just like a professional security camera that is actually a high-tech security light with smart motion sensing technology. Look, the instant the motion sensor detects movement, Bionic Spotlight triggers 8 high-intensity LED lights that shower the entire area with light, covering over 600 square feet. The light stays on for as long as the motion continues and then shuts off 30 seconds after it stops, so there's no more arriving home to a dark house. Illuminate walkways and stairwells for visitors and guests. Light up your garden at night or the yard for kids and pets. Add Bionic Spotlight to your sports court and to help secure outbuildings and storage sheds. Bionic Spotlight is year-round outdoor durable and weather-resistant. Bionic Spotlight is all you need. It's guaranteed.
Similar products can cost an absolute fortune. Don't waste your money, because today we have a very special offer. Order right now and we'll give you a 50% discount. Yes, you heard right. It's yours at half our regular price. But wait, there's more. Order right now and we'll double the offer. That's right. Order now and get a second one absolutely free. That's 2 amazing products for the price of just one. And there's still more. If you order in the next 20 minutes, we'll send it by express delivery for free. Anywhere in the country, but you must order now. Plus, try it for 30 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund. No questions asked. Now, you've got nothing to lose. It's 100% risk-free. This is a limited time offer and is only available while stocks last. You get it all. Everything you see here, all for a special low discounted price. So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by sending us a comment or message us right here to live chat for our discounted price, or visit our website, or simply call the number below. Payment is super easy. You choose cash on delivery, credit card, mobile payment. But hurry, this is a limited time offer and is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So don't delay. Chat message with us or just call right now.